Hey everyone, I recently picked up my SIG P365. We are excited in California because this is the first time that we're seeing this. Well, you can buy it, but you have to get it secondhand, who legally owned it in California. So now we could just walk up to any gun store and pick one up. And they used to be double, triple, quadruple the price, so hefty price to pay. It comes with two mags, one with the pink extender and a flush one. Safety feature, I believe it has a mag disconnect, so if there's no magazine, the weapon will not fire. It does come optics ready. Loaded chamber indicator. We have this in most guns here. It does come with a little plastic indicator saying that the chamber is clear, but we have to double check anyways. Night sights. So pointing at the safe direction, which is up, I can't fire. Putting the mag in there, all safety on, you still can't fire, but it feels a little different. It goes a little far back, the trigger does, when you put the mag back in and have the safety on. Safety off. I will dry fire once. It feels very nice, smooth, crisp. There are better triggers out there, but this is pretty decent. Actually, more than decent. Really nice. I am going to put my red dot. I got the Hollow Sun EPS. Once I get everything going, I'm gonna take it to the range for a test drive and see how it is. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more info, and please feel free to comment. Thanks.